Hi, my name is Delmetria Carter, and this is my Rise peer feedback for my classmate Jason Cordner and his website launch. First off, I want to say I love the simplicity of the entire uh, website. It's black and white. I love the name. I also like the logo with the Buddha listening to music. The first thing that really caught my attention was the fact that it was talking about a Chicago radio host was fired for making comments. And the reason why this caught my attention was because it was a catching, I guess you want to say, headline. It caught my attention and I wanted to read what it was about. Uh, the one thing I can say that I reflect on this whole website is the fact that it's very informative. It shows you exactly everything that's going on. It's not all over the place. It's not very overwhelming with color, graphics, or anything like that. I love the way how everything kind of comes together. I love the urban city theme that goes with the site as well. The one thing I wanted to ask was one, did you take these pictures yourself? And if not, where did you get them from? Also, have you ever considered maybe posting videos about the interviews, like, BET exclusive interview about the next big thing? Can you find a video that corresponds with this interview? Or can you find like more graphics and things like that? Because the site is very interesting. I feel like it's just lacking a few things. If anything, probably just some video or something like that. Um, if I can suggest anything, I would suggest, since you have like an urban theme going on, a nice background. Even if you want to stay with white, that's fine. But I feel like a nice background could have went towards more so maybe some graffiti, maybe just to go with, this theme and everything that's going on, just to like bring it out a little bit. Because I do sense like a lot of urban, a lot of city, and a lot of street with all of this. Um, Honestly, I do see a lot of potential in this. I do see that this is a great thing to really just bring out the culture and bring out the entirety of what you're trying to say with all of this, because it really goes over more than just one subject. I see you talking about radio hosts. I see you're talking about, ESPN and everything like that. And you're actually going over current events instead of just going over one thing. You're actually going over multiple things. And that's a really great thing to do. And I do appreciate the fact, and I love the fact that you got actual hashtags and actual sourcing from where you got your information from. That's, really great and really professional. That really stood out to me. And I also love these pictures. I really do like these pictures. I love the fact that you have the location of where the pictures were taken at. That's really good. And honestly, I do see a lot of potential in this site. If I could have anything, it would be nice if you had a way that, people could contact you or something on here, because I don't really see. Oh, wait, no. I do see that. I'm sorry. I didn't see that at first. But all in all, mostly everything I see is actually pretty good. I'm actually impressed. I like this a lot. And also, it says a podcast, but I'm not seeing much of, podcast or anything. I'm seeing, just words. And when I hear podcasts, I think of, videos or even like maybe talking or things like that. But I don't really see much of a podcast. So if I could, say that, that's the only, suggestion or anything I have. But as far as everything else goes, it's a great site. I love the idea. I love the imagery. I love the just everything. Everything just goes together real good. It's not overwhelming. It scrolls through really great. And honestly, I really like what I see, and I'm very supportive of this. I enjoyed reading through everything, and I hope you continue on with this.